Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to write the text we want to write in a plan. So I have something for you here which I can show you. In different plans that we have, we need different texts, and sometimes it's just about the name. It's actually a lot. So as you can see in this plan, I have a section here full of texts. So it is very important to know where can you put your text and how can you change it. So as I had a layer for text before, I'm not gonna change that, and I'm just gonna copy my plan one more time and copy this, and we can continue writing the names of each space in it and change it if we need. So something fun that you can do, which is very useful, is that when you want to copy something but you don't need all you don't need some part of it, you can just turn it off. So as you can see, when you CO or copy this here, everything is copied, but I don't need my text and dimensions here. So I'm just gonna click on this, and as you can see, it's a light bulb, and I'm just gonna turn it off. There is gonna be an error because right now this is my layer, but right now it doesn't matter. So I just turn this off. I'm gonna copy this about maybe 40 meters, and I'm gonna turn this on again. So as you can see, I have the dimensions here but not here, which is very useful. So when you want to write text, as you can see, we have text here, and the command for it is MT, which is multi-line text. So if you want to write something in your plan, you're gonna click on MT. Where is it? Here, MT, and as you can see, the first thing here is multi-text. The second one is multi-text edit, which is used to it's very simple to edit the text that you have. So when you click on MT or multi-text, there is going to be an ABCD for you. It asks you to specify a first corner and then the second corner, which is basically the length of the text you're going to write. Don't worry, we can change this at any time we want. It's not very important, but if you know how much space that word is going to take, just use that space. So this is my kitchen. I'm gonna write it, and when I'm done, as you can see, if I click on space, it's just going to put space for me, and space here is not very useful. So I'm just gonna click on somewhere else, and I have the text here. Sometimes the text that you have is too small, too short, too big. So if you want to make it smaller, you're just going to use the command scale, SC space. You're going to select this, choose a base point. As you can see, I can do it with hand, or I can just do it with numbers. So now I'm happy with this. I'm not happy with the place, so I'm just gonna turn everything off for a second. And now I'm happy with my place and name. So if you want to write another text, you can use two ways. One of them is just to copy this one, put it here, and then double click on it, and living room. Write whatever you want. As you can see, because my space was small, it just went under each other. I don't want that, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. So I'm not happy with the place. Again, I'm gonna turn everything off. So yeah, now it's better. Or what you can do is exactly to click on multi-text again, find your space, and let me write this with capital, and again click on any part of the page that you want. Remember that sometimes, as I told you many times before, if you want to repeat a command that you just use, all you need to do is click on space, and you can just again define a space for it and write whatever you want to write. The thing with copying the text and actually using that copy is the positive point is, as you can see, they are the same scale, but when I make another multi-text, when I make another box, the size is different. So if you change the size of your text and you just want to keep it like that, it's better to copy and paste it. As you can see, if I double click on that, we are going to have a huge toolbar here, which is exactly like what we have in our Word or PowerPoint. We have bold and the icons that we have here. Underline it, put a line across it, put a line above it. Not very useful for AutoCAD, but if you need it, they are all here. You can choose your different line type. Right now I'm going to go with this, which I've never used. You can choose the color. Remember, if you change the color here, your layer will not change. Just this one small text here will have a different color. And if you want to go back, you're just going to click on by layer. And again, if you want it to be to have bullets, numbers, sometimes in the other plan which I showed you, you have not only one word but many sentences, so this might come handy. Again, line space, columns in long texts, not in 2 or 3 words, and that's it, exactly like Word. So this was very easy, one of the easiest parts ever. So we're gonna close the video right here. Let me add only one other thing here because it's driving me crazy. I'm gonna make this small so they look the same. So, and I'm gonna copy this one, put it here, going to porch, and again this one, because I really hate it when they have different line types and they're in different places. It just drives me crazy. So let me living room. Okay, that's it. Again, this is a little bit, this should get a little bit over here. I think we are good. Okay, so that's it for today. Very easy lesson, very quick video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video.